Hello, gentle possums. It's me, your friend, Angela Mayfield. Oh, wait, you don't recognize me without my mask, I bet. I'm sorry. Hold on. It's me. A lot of people are wearing masks right now because they want to stay healthy and they want to help keep their friends and their neighbors and their family healthy. So I am also wearing a mask when I'm away from home. And look, see, mine has sharks on it. Look. You like sharks? I like sharks. Tonight I'm going to tell you a story about trucks, which is another thing I like. And what they do at the end of the day when they've worked really hard and they've had a great time and it's time to settle in and go to sleep. Tonight's book is called Goodnight, Construction Site by Sherry Deskey-Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. Tom drew the pictures. Sherry wrote the words. Are you ready? Here we go. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun is set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. They're big trucks, right? There's 5 of them. Working hard to help his team, Crane Truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. He's got his little teddy. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then, with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh. Good night, Crane Truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Look at his face. I like his face. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, shh, shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Look, he's got his little blanket. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One last load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now, dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Do you know what to say to dump truck? Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. pushing with his mighty blade. Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. They make a big noise. No one's as tough and as strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, and stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, Bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, Excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He's tired. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, Excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Look at them all. They're all going night night. Construction site, all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. And that's it. So good night, little workers and little trucks. Good night, everybody. It was a good day today, and tomorrow can be better, but you have to rest now. Good night. Say hi to your friends for me, and I'll see you again soon.